Hi, this is Mr. Oman here. I'm going to show you how to make an example of 3D printed spinner. After you've done a little bit of Google research and done some sketching, I'm going to ask that you download this template file right here. Okay, step 3, click on that. Okay, save that in Student Share and go ahead and open that up in Inventor. Okay, and here it is. Okay, I'm going to ask that you do your drawing, your 2D sketch, on the plane that has this 3x3 rectangle, okay, in the template file. That 3x3 is the amount of space I'm allowing you to work within. Anything bigger than that, I will not print it for you. I need you to keep it in those limits. So select that plane, the XZ plane, okay, and we'll do some sketching from here. Alright, some things to consider back in Canvas. Right here, there's some information I've got for you. You don't have to do this exact example, but here's some numbers that you need to consider when you draw. Our bearing is a diameter 0.5 circle, so I'm going to start with that right now. I'm going to draw a two-pointed center circle, 0.5. Okay, and I'm going to make another circle on that same center point, just to give kind of some body to it. Well, maybe I'll do 0.75. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that should be pretty good. Just for this example, I'm going to do a construction line. I have to turn the construction line off, it looks like. One more time. Now it should actually draw a real circle. Alright, so far so good. I'm going to put some sides on it. I'm going to make that come down and intersect. Like so. Okay, it's important we do any trimming that's needed at this time. Trim off all the inside lines. If you skip this step now, your project gets a little harder later. Okay. I'm going to go to the Polygon Tool, which is under Rectangle, and I would like to draw a six-sided hexagon. Okay, let's zoom in. Right there, I'm going to dimension it across from here to here. Okay, and your directions, 0.43 is the actual number. Okay, I'm not sure that I'll have enough room for that in mine, but I'll try it. Something like that. That's a little small, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to redimension my larger arc here, and I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. Okay, let's extrude that piece. Okay, obviously this is not very good. You'd want to do that better. Okay, but you get the idea. 0.38 is my thickness, maximum thickness. Okay, we're going to do a 3D pattern. This object, rotation, I'm going to pick the circle. It spins it around that circle right there, and I have a fidget spinner. Okay, I would probably continue on. I would probably do some more filleting, fillet the outer edges. Right now mine's not big enough. Okay, so you kind of have an example of what to do and a little bit of what not to do here, because this would definitely break on me if I actually printed this off. But round over your corners, make sure everything fits. Okay, and you're set to go. Okay, once you've got things drawn and finished in 3D, okay, we are going to get the file ready to be 3D printed. So go to File menu, Print, send a 3D print service. We're going to make an STL file. you need to change centimeter units to inch. Right there, that is it. And we can also create the resolution to be high. So again, units is inch, resolution is high. Let's hit OK. Okay, and that was all under the options button. Okay, hit OK, save it, and go and save it into your classes folder.